Hello everyone, I am Amit Gupta and she is my mother Usha Gupta. She is 74 years old. We are from Jaipur, MP. She was facing cardiac issue for last 2 months. She was not able to walk properly. She was having chest pain and she was sweating badly. So, when we reached to angioplasty consultants, so they advised us to go for bypass surgery. But as you can see that she is a stroke patient also. It was very difficult to actually get her through a bypass surgery because it's very complicated for a stroke patient. And we were into dilemma. And incidentally, we came to know about Dr. Ravinder Rao, who is with Rajasthan Hospital, Jaipur. We came to know about him that he is handling such kind of cases at Rajasthan Hospital, and we spoke to him. And one of the good thing is that in our first discussion, he has convinced us that this case can be handled because he was also in the opinion that she cannot, go having a stroke, being a stroke patient, she cannot go for a bypass surgery. And with this first discussion, we got confidence and we straight away decided to go to Rajasthan Hospital, Jaipur. And we reached over here. First of all, this hospital is phenomenally big and I was not expecting this kind of hospital at Jaipur. And it was really a very good experience at Rajasthan Hospital, right from admission to till date, right? And she went through this complex angioplasty surgery, which was done by Dr. Ravinder Rao through Rota procedure, and it's very what I call miraculous thing. What I found that such kind of patient who are 100% eligible for bypass surgery, and it's totally bypass surgery has been ruled out, and this complex Rota procedure has been done successfully, and final outcomes are very good. And you can see that after third day my mother is as normal as a normal human being. Okay, so it was a very good experience. I must say that people in India should know about this technology and they should opt for this. Specifically, I am confident about Dr. Ravinder Rao at Rajasthan Hospital. Thank you.